Hey, we're Joe Vagari and we have bought ourselves a big empty canal boat. Yep, it's quite the project. It's 68 foot long by 12 feet wide, and of course, this is us. The scenery constantly changes, which is quite nice about being in nature, and Bali absolutely loves being outside. It's his favorite thing to do. So stay tuned and subscribe to see how far we get along.
We're leaving the mooring. We're headed out for day 2 of the River Thames. There's some rows out. It's a lovely day. We're not getting soaked today, which is epic. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a lovely cruise. We've just filled up with fuel. Yeah, looking forward to how it goes. Alright, so we're just cruising past Hampton Court Palace right now. Beautiful place. Alright, so the lock's up ahead of us. I see the lock master's already opened up for us. That's amazing. We didn't have to dock or anything. This is all smooth sailing. You got an easy job today. Yeah, the lockkeeper opens all the gates for you.
So at almost every lock on the Water Thames there is a weir, and a weir measures the water flow and regulates water levels. I love looking at weirs. To me they look like mini waterfalls.
We're in Lower Hampton now. The wind is out again. Looking beautiful around here. Now we just need a bar stool and a beer, and then we're winning.
So we're patiently waiting for 2 little teeny tiny boats to come out of the lock. It was actually perfect timing, so we didn't have to do any of the hard work at the beginning. So we just go straight in, close the gates, fill us up, and off we go again. Come on. I'm just trying to escape. I'm trying to escape. Yes. I know.
Is he a land lover now? Come on.
He's a land lover.
Nah, I don't think he's a land lover.
Yeah. Every time we get close to land, he's like, I must jump off.
It's because he's on patrol. Look, he's like, who's this guy? What's he doing here at my house? Come on, Bali. Come on, baby. Good boy.
What did you say? You said, get away.
Did you say, what is your name?
What's your name? He's like, oh, I forgot to ask that.
Alright, so we're going to get 2 boats in this lock. We're going to go right to the front. Nice and big. Big difference from the Grand Union. So this is quite an interesting boat to the starboard of us. It's pretty much similar to what ours would have been back in the day, 1900. That's for dredging and picking up stuff from the bottom of the canal. In this case, the river. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see. Modern day version of our boat. Still think ours is way nicer. Just ended off the evening after we tried to moor in Staines on Thames, but unfortunately we didn't get a good vibe. We were like, no.
We're feeling some more broken windows coming on.
Yeah, so we were like, okay, we're just going to go a little bit further. We went through the lock and then look at this beautiful place we found.
It feels so picturesque. I feel like I'm in a picture right now.
And it's so quiet. So quiet. Although I'm pretty shattered because we did about 8 or 9 hours of cruising today.
Well done.
So I'm going to get a cup of tea. We're going to jump in bed.
Ooh.
And we're going to relax.
Close those eyes, are you?
guys out on another adventure tomorrow. Good morning everybody, it's day 3 of our big epic river adventure and we are headed out. We're just departing now from the mooring that we had last night. It was a great mooring. We met this boat behind us called Cod Wobbling. Nice couple on there just enjoying canal life. So they're actually spinning around going the other way today, but they said we will see them again soon because they're headed upriver our way later in the season. Today we're gonna head out to Windsor. We're gonna stop in the town center and have a look around. So we've got a nice day of cruising on the canal, but it's actually the river today. The weather it's still warm, but it feels good and nice cool breeze. So the absolute perfect day for boating. Not too much glare, just a relaxing cruise really. You're doing chores?
Morning.
Oh, there's Cod Wobbling turning around.
Little bit. Molly had to have a bath this morning because he rolled in something.
Foxy.
So now he's got his little jumper on because he's claiming that he's absolutely freezing.
Shame. He was shivering. We don't have a lot of things, but we need some things like a horn. We need guy things, you know, guys are things we can enjoy.
You need a horn.
We need a horn, we need a bar, we need a bar fridge, you know, all those very important things.
While Christopher gets us going, I figured I would quickly get started on dinner. I know we haven't even had breakfast yet, but I'm using the slow cooker today because I'm making oxtail. So I have my oxtail in the pot. I'm going to chop a few onions, get some garlic in there, and make it delicious.
Alright, so we're just approaching Old Windsor Lock. It's up ahead of us. Priscilla's going to go get the lines in the front. I believe there are some moorings here on the other side. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to have to ask the lock keeper. But yeah, it looks like quite a cool looking lock. It's set to one side. Just motored past some amazing houses. Some people are living the dream, that's for sure. Alrighty. So we made it into the lock safely. And luckily this kind lady behind us is operating the lock for us. As I said, we've had such good luck on this trip. It's been like, the lock's always been open. It's always been, you know, it's already been like emptied or whatever. Sorry, I'm just seeing the water full. I have to quickly hold the line. about these Thames locks is they fill up a lot faster than the canal. So yeah, it took some getting used to in the beginning. They are insanely massive as well. So you can normally put 2 boats in or 3 boats. I mean, we went in yesterday with like a 50-foot boat, so it's amazing. Like, and we're such a big boat, and there was still space maybe for like a smaller boat of another kind, you know, like a speedboat or something. So, or a pleasure cruiser or something like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Come, baby, come. Good boy.
The closer you get to Windsor Castle, the busier it gets, and you can see this by in summer season you get a lot of hire boats as well as day cruisers who go and just spend a day near Windsor Castle.
It's safe to say that this boat never moves due to that water tank that floats on their dinghy. Pretty cool looking boat though. Yeah, check out how tall that mast is.
And the paddles are so cool. Must be a little Royal Boathouse because it's got like a little bridge that says no other craft except for Crown Estate. I wonder what cool little boat they got in there. Other craft prohibited. Not as wide as ours though.
And you have to stick on it.
Close call there, man. We came around the bend, we were filming the boathouse, and next thing you know, we were almost in the bushes.
Very close bushes.
Now we've got a paddleboard to contend with. And there's something you don't see every day while boating. There's a stop sign up ahead. I don't think I've ever seen one on the water before. Alrighty, where's your shoes, woman?
I wasn't prepared.
You're proper boating it today.
Nature's absolutely killing me today. People rubbing my face, it's horrible.
And so as we made our stop at Windsor Castle, we had our first visitor, Colin the Caterpillar.
I've just paid for mooring. We have a mooring receipt to put on the window, so we have 24 hours here right next to Windsor Castle. Only £8, so not too bad. Now we can explore the city.
And while I stayed indoors while suffering with hay fever, Christopher went out and had a little look around where we were staying. Right, I'm busy hiding out away from nature because it's really killing me today. Oh, it's terrible. But Christopher has just phoned me from the pay point and he said, there's a bus. So I was like, a bus? And he was like, yes, there's a bus that goes on land and in the water. And they should be coming past in the next 2 minutes. So I'm quickly going to get outside and see if we can see them coming past. Well, that seems to be it. This is a cute little bus. So apparently it goes on land and in the water. So it's a little convertible land to water. tourists on board. So we have just been settled up here next to the Windsor Castle, and obviously I've been slaving away all day making an oxtail stew. So I think we'll just enjoy this now, put our feet up and enjoy a little bit of the scenery while we're here. I am pretty hungry. I don't know how much you want. Last night we had ourselves beautiful mooring up. As you know, we are in Windsor.
Right, look. It's right there. That's amazing. I love it. Look at this beautiful field.
It's fab. And we actually have some visitors coming today, and they're going to spend the day with us while we move. So we figured best we go to the shop, get a few bits and bobs to put in the fridge.
Yeah, I feel a bra coming on.
Yeah.
Bra.
Right. And then, yeah, then we're on the move again.
So today we're going to move from Windsor to Marlow.
You sure?
Yeah.
And we're going to make it all the way.
Well, if we don't make it all the way to Marlow, then we can stop here. Drum roll, please. Cookham.
Right.
So we're either going to go Windsor to Cookham or Windsor to Marlow, depending on how much time we have.
So yesterday, remember, Christopher told me that this boat was coming, and this is what it looks like outside of the water as a little bus, which is quite cute. We are absolutely loving the River Thames and so glad we made the decision to go. More DIY next week. See you soon.